Okay, I want to review domain and range. Go ahead and finish that real fast. With domain and range, we use inequalities. So one way we can write that is you have x or y in the middle. And then you do the two numbers on the side. So x is domain, y is range. And whenever you do your lowest to highest, smallest to largest, you can write it like this. So the x or y is sandwiched in the middle. And then if it's a closed circle, you have the or equal to. So for domain, it's your left to right for domain. Whenever it's domain. And then when it's range, you do your how far down it goes to how far up it goes. So we did these yesterday. So if you haven't done those, you'll need to make sure to watch the video from yesterday. Let's go ahead and go to the you try it number 3. So domain is your x value. So I'm going to go ahead and label my x-axis and my y-axis. So domain is from the left to the right. So we're going to see how far left. Looks like it cuts off right here and right here. So for the x, it's left to right. So if the line was right here, it'd be at 1. If it cut off a little further this way, it'd be at -1. What's in between 1 and -1? Huh? 0, yeah. You know what a lot of people want to put on this one? 9. But 9 is the y value. The x value right here is 0. So our left is 0. And then our right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to write it as the inequality with x in the middle, the left number and the right number. So x is sandwiched between 0 and 7. And because these are closed circles, we're going to do the less than or equal to. So 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 7. Let's do the range. The range is our y, so we look how far down does it go. We're going to estimate that. What would that estimate to be? -2. It goes down to -2. So that would be our first number we write. Then we write our y. Then how far up? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 goes right there. And it looks like we don't have any open circles, so it's going to be less than or equal to on both of them. And the maximum or minimum only refers to the vertex. So our vertex is down low. It's the bottom of the barrel, bottom of the bowl. So it's a minimum. Let's go to you try it number 4. Label our x-axis and our y-axis. So for domain, we go left and right. Looks like it goes right there, right? It's not exactly on 1, 2, 3, 4. So what could we say that is? Yeah, -5. And then how far right would that be? Yeah, 1. So we're going to go -5. Then we have x, and then we have 1. Now we fill in. So this is an open circle. So we won't have the or equal to symbol. It'll just be less than. And then right, it goes to 1, and it's a closed circle, so less than or equal to. And then range is how far down. These are uneven. You go to the lowest point. So this would be our lowest point. This one's not our lowest. We're not going to do a diagonal line. We're going to do straight across just like we always do. Let's find out how far that goes. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7. And it's the y value. And then how far up? Just 1. And the only open circle is right here, and our boundary is not there. It's here, which is a closed circle, so we're going to have less than or equal to. And then this touches a line, so it's also a less than or equal to. And then max and min, that refers to our vertex. Our vertex is up here, which is the top of the arch. Top would be our maximum. So go ahead and write maximum. All right, go ahead and glue this in the next page if you haven't already.